Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we're taking you deep into the heart of the jungle to explore a remarkable fusion of nature and design, a two-bedroom shipping container home that redefines off-grid living. This home isn't just a retreat, it's a sanctuary built to harmonize with its surroundings. With a sleek, modular design and eco-friendly features, it offers all the comforts of modern living while blending seamlessly into the wild. Join us as we explore the innovative layout, sustainable materials, and creative solutions that make this jungle home a perfect escape. Tucked away in the heart of the jungle, this shipping container home offers a unique way to connect with nature, without sacrificing the comforts of modern living. Built with sustainability in mind, this home uses recycled containers to minimize environmental impact. Large windows invite natural light and frame breathtaking views of the surrounding forest. Inside, thoughtful design transforms compact spaces into cozy retreats. The open-plan living room flows effortlessly into the kitchen, making it a perfect spot for relaxation or entertaining. The two bedrooms offer privacy and comfort, with minimalist decor that complements the natural surroundings. Outside, the deck brings you even closer to nature, whether it's enjoying your morning coffee with birdsong or unwinding under the stars at night. Equipped with rainwater harvesting and solar energy, this home operates off-grid, proving that sustainable living can be both practical and beautiful. This jungle home offers a lifestyle that's all about balance, where modern comfort meets the serenity of the wilderness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the captivating two-bedroom shipping container home in the jungle. A perfect blend of nature, comfort, and sustainability, this home showcases how modern design can thrive in the heart of the wild. If this lifestyle inspires you, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned to Alvinsa Studio for more innovative homes from across the world. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tours. Until next time, thank you for watching and see you on the next adventure.